Welcome to another exciting comparison video. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of steam mops. On one side, we have the PurSteam 10-in-1 steam mop, and on the other, the Kenmore SM 205 2-in-1 steam mop. Let's find out which one is the ultimate cleaning companion. First up, let's talk about the price. The PurSteam 10-in-1 steam mop is priced at $99, which some reviewers find a bit steep, especially considering its short cord and small water tank. However, they appreciate its effectiveness and versatility for various surfaces. On the other hand, the Kenmore SM 2050 is more budget-friendly at $89, and many users commend it as a quality product that gets the job done without breaking the bank. It's like finding a $20 bill in your winter coat. When it comes to cleaning power, the PurSteam offers chemical-free cleaning that many users love, especially those with kids and pets. Reviewers rave about its ability to clean multiple surfaces effectively, although some mention that it could be improved with a longer cord. Meanwhile, the Kenmore also claims to remove 99.9% of dust and has received praise for its ease of use and effectiveness, particularly in cleaning floors and other surfaces. However, some users have noted that its single steam jet design may not be as effective for disinfection. Now, let's discuss versatility. The PurSteam is the overachiever with its 10-in-1 capabilities, allowing you to tackle everything from floors to clothes. Reviewers appreciate its range of attachments, making it suitable for various tasks, although some feel the quality could be better. In comparison, the Kenmore is a 2-in-1 steam mop that can also be used as a handheld unit. Reviewers find it versatile, but note that it may not perform as well on certain surfaces compared to the PurSteam. Let's talk accessories. The PurSteam comes with an impressive array of tools, including brushes and nozzles, which many users find helpful for different cleaning tasks. However, some reviews mention difficulties in finding replacement parts. The Kenmore, while simpler, still offers 3 useful attachments that are effective for various messes. Users appreciate the ease of use, but also mention the limitations due to fewer accessories. Finally, maneuverability is key for effective cleaning. The PurSteam features a swiveling mop head and a collapsible handle, making it easy to store and maneuver around furniture. Reviewers love its lightweight design, although some mention a short cord as a drawback. The Kenmore also boasts swivel steering, which is praised for ease of movement, but users have pointed out that the cord length could be improved. In summary, both the PurSteam 10-in-1 and the Kenmore SM 2050 have their strengths and weaknesses. The PurSteam is celebrated for its versatility and cleaning power, while the Kenmore is favored for its affordability and decent performance. However, some users have experienced issues with durability and effectiveness in specific tasks for both products. Overall, both steam mops have garnered positive feedback, but your choice may depend on your specific cleaning needs and budget. So which mop comes out on top? If you're after versatility, the PurSteam 10-in-1 might be your best bet. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly option, the Kenmore SM 2050 has got you covered. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below about which product you prefer and why. Check out the product links in the description for more details. Until next time, keep it clean.